What if every machine, every factory, every airplane, and maybe even every human had a living digital copy updating in real time? That's the world of digital twins, where physical systems and virtual systems become permanently connected. Slide 1. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a real-time virtual replica of a physical object, process, or system. It continuously receives live sensor data from the real world, allowing engineers to monitor, simulate, predict, and optimize performance without touching the actual asset. Slide 2. Physical world vs. digital world. In the physical world, machines experience wear, stress, vibration, temperature changes, and failure. In the digital world, the twin mirrors all those conditions virtually, creating a constantly updated simulation of reality. Slide 3. The evolution of digital twins. The idea of digital twins began during NASA's Apollo missions, where engineers maintained identical mirrored spacecraft systems on Earth for simulation and troubleshooting. But modern digital twins became possible only after IoT sensors, cloud computing, and AI matured. Slide 4. How a digital twin works. A digital twin works through continuous data synchronization. Sensors on physical assets collect data. That data is transmitted through networks, and the digital model updates in real time. Slide 5. Real-time synchronization. Synchronization is the heartbeat of a digital twin. Temperature, pressure, vibration, position, and flow data can update thousands of times every second. Slide 6. Sensors and IoT integration. Digital twins depend heavily on IoT infrastructure. Sensors capture raw operational data. Protocols like MQTT and OPC UA transmit information. Edge computing processes time-critical data locally, while cloud platforms manage large-scale analytics. Slide 7. Data collection. Digital twins combine multiple forms of data: operational data, environmental conditions, historical maintenance records, and even external contextual information like weather or supply chain disruptions. Slide 8. Building the virtual model. Creating a digital twin involves 3 layers. The geometric layer defines shape, the physics layer defines behavior, and the live data layer keeps the model continuously synchronized with reality. Slide 9. Simulation and monitoring. Once connected, engineers can simulate failures, monitor performance, and test changes virtually before applying them in the real world. Slide 10. AI and analytics. AI transforms digital twins from passive mirrors into intelligent systems. Machine learning algorithms detect subtle degradation patterns long before human operators notice them. Slide 11. Cloud computing's role. Cloud platforms provide scalability, global access, historical storage, and massive computational power required for enterprise-scale twins. Slide 12. Digital twin architecture. A complete digital twin architecture includes sensors, connectivity, edge processing, cloud infrastructure, analytics engines, and visualization interfaces. Slide 13. Digital twin vs. simulation. A traditional simulation is static. A digital twin is alive. It evolves continuously with the physical asset in real time. Slide 14. Types of digital twins. There are 3 primary types of digital twins. Component twins model individual parts like bearings or valves. Process twins model workflows and operations. System twins integrate entire factories, cities, or infrastructure networks. Slide 15. Product digital twins. Product twins follow an asset through its entire life cycle, from design and manufacturing to operation and retirement. Slide 16. Process digital twins. Process twins optimize operational workflows by identifying bottlenecks, simulating changes, and improving efficiency without interrupting production. Slide 17. System digital twins. System twins operate at the largest scale. Entire power grids, supply chains, transportation systems, and smart cities can be modeled as interconnected digital ecosystems. Slide 18. Digital twins in manufacturing. Manufacturing became one of the earliest adopters of digital twin technology. Factories now run synchronized virtual production lines alongside physical operations. Slide 19. Smart factory applications. Digital twins optimize robotic systems, energy consumption, quality control, and supply chain synchronization inside smart factories. Slide 20. Digital twins in oil and gas. In oil and gas, digital twins monitor pipelines, offshore platforms, and refinery systems continuously. Predictive maintenance prevents failures that could cost millions of dollars per day. Slide 21. Digital twins in aerospace. Aerospace companies use digital twins for structural monitoring, predictive maintenance, and flight simulation. Aircraft engines are now monitored continuously throughout their life cycle. Slide 22. Digital twins in healthcare. One of the most futuristic ideas is the patient digital twin, a virtual physiological model capable of simulating how a specific patient might respond to treatments. Slide 23. Smart cities and infrastructure. Entire cities are becoming digital twins. Traffic systems, utilities, emergency services, and urban planning can all be optimized through real-time city-scale simulation. Slide 24. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is currently the most valuable application of digital twins. Instead of waiting for equipment failure, AI predicts degradation early enough for proactive maintenance. Slide 25. Benefits of digital twins. Digital twins reduce downtime, save energy, accelerate research and development, improve operational efficiency, and lower lifecycle costs. Slide 26. Challenges and security risks. But digital twins also face major challenges: cybersecurity risks, complex integration, sensor accuracy, and massive infrastructure costs remain key barriers. Slide 27. The future of digital twins. The future may include autonomous AI-driven twins capable of making decisions without human intervention. Slide 28. AI plus digital twins. Generative AI may eventually transform digital twins into intelligent co-pilots capable of explaining failures, simulating futures, and automatically optimizing physical systems. Slide 29. Companies leading the industry. Major companies like Entity Company, Siemens EGE, Digital V, NVIDIA, Microsoft L Twin Revolution. Slide 30. Final takeaway. Digital twins are becoming the nervous system of the next industrial era. Every complex system may eventually have a living, intelligent digital counterpart. If you enjoyed this visual breakdown of digital twin technology, like this video and subscribe to 3D Decode for more futuristic technologies explained visually in 3D. Comment digital twin if you think every factory and city will eventually have a virtual replica. See you in the next video.